Common paper wasp, Ropalidia fasciata. A wide-ranging species found in India to Lesser Sunda Islands, Palawan and Ryukyu Islands. These eusocial wasps are unique in that they do not exhibit the strict matrifilial single queen social structure. Instead, colonies are founded based on associations between several females or foundresses. It appears with a red-brown body with yellow stripes and some black and yellow markings. Queen-like and worker-like individuals are not morphologically distinguishable, but instead are differentiated based on behavior. Here you are observing the nest of common paper wasp. They construct nests by collecting fibers from dead vegetation, mixing them with saliva and using this mixture to construct vertical cells. It has a standard colony structure where individuals are divided into three castes: sitters, fighters and foragers. Sitters and fighters leaves the food finding to foragers while they care for larvae and maintain the nest.